Hello and welcome to another Elite Audio video, and I think it's fair to say that when it comes to the manufacturing of loudspeakers, Physic, the German manufacturer, have an enviable reputation for being exceptionally innovative in many aspects of their loudspeaker design. If you've been following our social media recently, you will notice that Physic have recently launched the new Codex model, but now have upgraded and filtered down that technology into the Codex and the Mid-X, which are now referred to as the Codex 2 and the Mid-X 2, and also have introduced a brand new model, or a return to the range, a high-end stand mount called the Spark. So let me start by showing you the aforementioned Spark in all its glory, as we have a pair already running in our small listening room. And here we go. Let me just turn this round, and there you go. This particular model is finished in the glass black. Now, one of the key features of this loudspeaker, which is a direct filter down from the Codex, and let me just turn this. We're using the Audio Flight FLS9 to drive these, so let me just turn this down for a second, and that way you'll be able to hear me an awful lot better. Right, okay. Yes, so one of the key standout features which has come from the Codex is the fact that it uses the unique hyper-holographic SL mid-range driver. Now, what makes this such a unique component is that it actually works entirely without a centering spider. Now, what this means is that you get the best transfer of the energy going into the speaker in the most efficient way, but also without any sign of listening fatigue. And that is the one thing we strive for in music, is that organic sound. I've got to say, the build and construction of these Sparks are really something else. It also, in addition to the mid-range driver, in fact here I'll use the cutaway of the Mid-X to demonstrate this. It also benefits from the multi-sandwich housing technology, which has this high-tech honeycomb construction inside the cabinet. Capacitors with copper, foam contact in the tweeter. It's just an unbelievable combination of the best materials, the best design, and something that is truly innovative. What I'll do is I'll then bring up some of the tech spec features on these, and whilst doing that, let me just quickly, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and I'm back in the room. Right, let's walk through to the main showroom, and in here we have running already the Codex Mark II. Again, featuring and benefiting from the same upgrades from the Codex that the Spark does, in a much larger cabinet. And again, let me just turn this round. There we go. So, here we have the Codex in the main showroom. We have this being driven by the Octave HP 700 SE, which is the new preamplifier from Octave, and the RE320 power amplifier, which is equipped, as you can see, with KT150 valves. This particular HP 700 benefits from the step volume control and also tone controls, which can be seen there on the top of the amplifier. Anyway, we're here to talk about the audio physics. Aesthetically, and for those that perhaps already own Codex, you will see there is no real external difference to signify that these are an upgrade model. If you have an existing Codex, they can be brought up to current spec, or you may wish to consider trading in for a brand new pair of the Codex 2. Initial listening tests, wow, what can I say? The old Codex was a great speaker. This just lifts it to an entirely new level. I'm really quite shocked at the difference, actually. The only way you're going to find out is to come in to our showroom. You're more than welcome to do so. I just want to go back to the Sparks again for a second, because again, I've got to say, for a high-end stand mount, these really sound incredible. First, it's also the first of this range that I have seen. If I can get around the back here to show you what I'm talking about, and hopefully, if I just can show this properly. So you can see on the back that there is rear porting. And in terms of bass response, this gives it quite a noticeable lift. And certainly compared to other stand mount speakers, I've got to say these have got such a really, they reach right down into the lower octaves without any real difficulty. But they sound great. The balance, the tonal presentation, the detail, the microdynamics, it is just an oral treat from start to finish. We're really excited about this. We have a pair going off to Hi-Fi News for review, so please look out for that one appearing in a future edition of the magazine. And of course, we have another demo pair that if you want to try them at home, you certainly can. Anyway, thank you again for watching this video. We will be doing more of a breakdown in terms of these speakers in one of our weekly and new to come magazine posts, which you will find as a video post covering everything that's been happening in the previous week in the exciting and dynamic world of Elite Audio. Please subscribe to our newsletter because there's lots of great offers you get there. Please sign up to our YouTube channel and please like us on Facebook. We have regular posts there almost daily of everything that's currently going on. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again really soon.